Lots of light rain and drizzle around the valley today, but nothing heavy any place. Certainly no flooding from this. All the big rain all weekend long stayed just offshore. Huge rainfall totals, but all over the Gulf of Mexico. Nothing over land. All the land-based rainfall indicates maybe a half an inch in a few places. We had about 4/10 here at our studios today. And you can see there's still a lot of light rain and drizzle out there even as we speak, kind of pushing off toward the north. And as it does, it wets the highways for a while, and you may get a tenth, a quarter of an inch, and if it doesn't long enough, up to a half an inch. But again, all the heavy stuff staying just offshore. Look in the middle and upper valley right now. Most of Hidalgo County, all the way from back here on the county line all the way to Mercedes. Got some light rain right now. Everything pushing northward. You get into Cameron County, not much over the county, but right on the coast, there's still lots of light rain and drizzle mixed in with this, and the heavy stuff right where it has been all weekend, just about 30 miles or so southeast of most of the valley, and it has stayed there. And that's where the rainfall totals have been, 5 to 8 inches, but it all stayed just offshore, which is okay. No flooding problems here. Through the daytime tomorrow, clouds continue. There could be eventually a break where the rain just kind of stops or lets up, becomes much more spotty during the daytime tomorrow. Wednesday, still the chances we deal with moisture from Willa in the Pacific Ocean. That moisture will come across Texas, a lot of it staying to our north. We'll probably see spotty showers on Wednesday, but alas, look at this. Thursday, we finally get back into some sunshine. I don't think we're going to go clear blue sky right away. It may take a couple of days for that to happen. There's one more little disturbance that has to come across, but once that happens, then I think we should get back to just pure sunshine. And next weekend, or this coming weekend, looks really nice. Rainfall totals not all that big, except right at the coast the next 24 to 48 hours. Even on Wednesday with that other feed of tropical moisture coming in, a lot of it passes by just to the north. So while we'll get some, it's not going to be all that widespread. 50% on Wednesday, and then we go mainly dry on Thursday. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. Readings in the 60s valley-wide, including Port Isabel at 69. Winds continue out of the northwest, humidity 90%. Overnight tonight, we drop into the upper 50s, but that's about it. And tomorrow, we're back up in the upper 60s, so another warm day, or cool day rather, across the valley with northwest winds continuing. The next 3 days, temperatures start to warm back up, but it's a slow process. By the weekend, probably back in the 80s. A lot going on. I want to just jump forward to show you what's going on in the Pacific. Let's skip that. There, of course, is Hurricane Willa, now a Category 4 hurricane. It was a 5 for a while. 155-mile-per-hour winds. Look how it's expected to go in somewhere between Mazatlan and San Blas as probably a Category 3 hurricane. It'll feed its moisture across the mountains. The mountains will just tear it apart, but some of that moisture will make it into Texas by the time we get to about Wednesday or so. Tonight then, cloudy and cool, spotty drizzle 58. Tomorrow, breezy, cool, spotty showers only 67. But look at that, 70 on Wednesday. A little bit of sun Thursday, a little more Friday. By the weekend, we're mostly sunny with temperatures back in the 80s for highs, lows in the 50s and 60s. It means humidity's down. The weekend just looks delightful. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.